Hi friends, Katerina from the Evolution of Stitches here. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how to crochet front post and back post double crochet stitches. So I have already crocheted a row of single crochet stitches and a row of double crochet stitches. So first of all, chain 3 and turn your work. And now yarn over, insert the hook from the right side of the post of the previous row and take it out to the left side, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops, and you have created your first front post double crochet. Insert your hook into the space before the post of the previous row and its head should point at the back, and take it out from the other side. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops, and you have another front post double crochet stitch. You go on this way, yarn over, insert the hook from the right side of the post. The head of the hook is at the back. You take it out from the other side and now you crochet a normal double crochet stitch. Insert the hook and you place it kind of horizontal around the post. Yarn over and you crochet a double crochet stitch the way you would normally do. I'm trying to explain it many times so you understand how to do it. It's not very difficult because you just crochet around the post of the previous row. So you insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops, and you go on this way. Insert the hook and you place it kind of horizontal around the post. So you insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops, and you go on this way. So you insert your hook like this, in a way it goes in and then out around the post, and then you just crochet a normal stitch. For now I'm crocheting double crochet stitches, but of course you could have used this method to crochet also trebles or maybe singles, but it's not usual. When you crochet front post double crochet stitches or any other stitch with a front post, you create a kind of columns because you create a ribbed effect on your project. So it's very useful in many different projects. You can add it to many different projects and it gives a very nice texture to them. So please continue practicing. You can of course pause the video or slow it down as in a way that you can follow me, and in this way we crochet our front post double crochet stitches. I'll finish this row and then I will crochet the opposite. I will crochet back post double crochet stitches, which is another very nice stitch. that you can use in many projects. And in this way I have finished a row of front post double crochet stitches. As you can see, I have this ribbed effect on my project, and if you look at the back, it creates a kind of row. And now I'm going to crochet back post double crochet stitch. Now we are ready to start our back post double crochet stitches, chain 2 or 3 depending on the project, and now yarn over, and we are going to insert our hook into the spaces to the right and to the left of each post, that is this one, but from the back towards the front, so the head of our hook should be pointing towards us, and then we kind of push our post to the back and take our hook out at the back again, and then yarn over, pull through, and we crochet a normal double crochet stitch like we would normally do. So pull through, yarn over, and pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops, and in this way we have created our first back post double crochet stitch. Again, yarn over, find the spaces from the 2 sides of the post of the previous row, right and to the left, and insert your hook from the back towards the front, and place the hook on top over the post. You push the post to the back in this way, and take the hook out to the back again, like this. You can see the head of the hook coming out from the back, and then you crochet a normal double crochet stitch, yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops, and you have finished your second back post double crochet stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook from the back to the front, as we said, like this. Place it on top of the post and take it out from the back, and crochet a normal double crochet stitch. This is the way we crochet the back post double crochet stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook from the back pointing to the front, place it over the post, and take it out at the back and crochet a normal double crochet stitch. So by now you realize that the only difference between a regular double crochet stitch and a back post double crochet stitch is the place where you insert your hook. So you wrap the yarn around the post of the previous row, and the hook comes in from behind, and you work around the post and come up between the next post and this one that we are working, and that's it. After that you crochet a regular double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first two loops, and yarn over and pull through the other two loops. So let's do a couple more and finish this row in the same way that we worked until now. Please pause the video or stop it and work at your own pace and practice as much as you need. If you work one row of front post double crochet stitches and one row of back post double crochet stitches, you see that this creates a very nice texture which you can use in many projects. From one side it creates a horizontal ridge, and from the other side it creates kind of column. So if you use them both, you can create ribs into your crochet pieces. So thanks very much for watching, and please push this subscribe button to get all the latest videos. Thanks again, and until next time, just think positive. Bye for now.